Good evening, everybody. This side, student cadet Saeem Agarwal. I want to join armed forces because when I see the lifestyle of army, I see energy, hard work, passion, etc. I want to live life full of adventure and serve my country too. In Indian Army, adventure is not a part of life, it is a way of life. At last, I would like to say, if I die in a war zone, box me up, send me home. Put my gun on my chest and tell my mom I did my best. And tell my dad not to bow. His brother will not rise after this sunset. Don't tell this to my friends. They all are hearties and ask for parties. Tell my love not to cry, cause I am a soldier and I am bound to die.
Jai Hind, I student cadet Aditya Tanwar. You have to be little tough to join Indian Army, a little intelligent to join Indian Navy, but a mix of both to join Indian Air Force. That's the main reason why I want to join Indian Air Force. There are many fragmented dreams in my eyes, but one complete dream which is connected with my parents, my heart and my soul. That is to become an Indian Air Force officer. An extraordinary life, a life with full of adventure, honor and glory, where you are among a million and one in a million. Secondly, one can feel proud of it, as very few have ability to become fighter pilot.
Good afternoon. I am student cadet Srinivasan Bhashyam, and today I have chosen the topic that why should we join the defense force. This topic has a very simple answer, that give me one reason that why we should not join the defense forces. Many of us here want to join the defense to serve the nation, but for me it is a bit different. I want to join the defense so that it can help me transform myself into a gentleman, which these forces are specialized in. This is a field which once joined can never be left. The defense forces, if we join the defense forces once, that means you have a life, you have a chance to live your life again in a different way. The defense is an extraordinary life and can be given to only special people who the hard work and the training for the defense has to start from the day you decide to take it as your career.
I am student cadet Arya Nigam. First of all, I would like to thank ma'am who has given me this golden opportunity to speak in front of you. So, why I want to join Indian Armed Forces? I think there is no career in this world where you stand 25-year-old captain, you have the 200 men whose life you hold in your hand. I want to ask you, which organization wants you to jump from plane? Which firm lets you to play at work and make you the CEO from day one? Who teaches you the value of life?
Good morning. I am student candidate Prabhu Satyam, studying in Edge Academy. Today I am here to speak on my topic 10 reasons to join Indian Army. It is the only place where you learn the value of life and you learn to respect it. In Indian Army, you get to work in places where normal people cannot stand. You get to do things which normal people cannot imagine. You get a uniform which comes with tremendous responsibility and respect. You get to work in a team of irreproachable officers. I want to join Indian Army to serve the nation and lead a life of better quality. You don't have a daily routine because every day in Indian Army is special. Warriors are not born, they are created in the Indian Army.
I am student cadet Sudhanshu Kumar Malviya, standing over here to tell about why should I join Army. If death strike before I prove my blood, I swear I will kill the dead. Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey. The same thing I also want to do, that I want to win the Paramveer Chakra. I want to wear it proudly. I want to prove myself that I am the true son of my country. I want to serve my country by my blood. I am fond of the love which is created in the environment of Army.
Armed forces teaches us many things, but we carry our life in our hands. If we live today, it is super bonus for us. If we die tomorrow, it is a bonus in our life. But in Indian Armed Forces, they teaches us many things. How to live a life and what the respect you get in Indian Armed Forces, it cannot get in any other job. It is one of the most
important and one who take care of our own motherland, which gives us many things, but what we give them to our motherland, if we die for them, it is not a big respect. But in Indian Armed Forces, they teaches us how to not to die, but how to kill others. War is not won by dying, it is won by killing others. Jai Hind.